This is nice. What you think?
Ooh, orange, my favorite.
Your favorite. You do love orange, don't you?
The water is nice and cool. Yeah.
Bikini bottom flower?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll do like half of that one. And then we'll cut it into strips. There we go.
Now it's time.
Will you hold the red one for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Am I biting? Looking good.
Now I see it's time to cut these.
What do you think of those? You want? I guess we probably don't need this part as much. Thank you, bud. There it goes. Alright, so we've got one. Thank you. We'll do thank you bow. Alright, now we can start to make Easter eggs. Thank you, that's perfect. We'll do one, two, color olive oil, and then spray one. So we're gonna reach in. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna go over the edges.
Yeah,
Let's see. You get the little dill tree branches on it. Yeah, spread it through like when we do chocolate chip with our. Bo's just gonna go for it. All right.
What do you think about the colors? What colors do you see? Do you see orange?
Is it crispy? You like it?
Oh,
Bo, what's your favorite color is on the plate right now? Which color is the yummiest?
all of them.
It's all good. You like the green too? The little bits of the branch? Yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna. You're good. You did a nice job with the salad.
Mm-hmm.
I like the dill.
I like the dill too.
Is it crunchy? Pretty crunchy, huh?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part?
Oh,
You like them all? Okay.
yeah. It kind of burns my tongue.
I think it's the white that's the burning, probably. You might try the pepper. I think the white is a little bit spicy. That would be my guess. Is that less spicy than the white? Yeah. That's what I think too.
How is that? What do you think of that one?
Good.
Good.
Hey, thanks for coming today.
They're gonna listen to